So almost 200k sales product I will show you today, and if you don't start it yet, and then you will miss a very opportunity, and this is a very low competition product for organic dropshipping only. So let's see the product video first. Okay, all right, so this is a product of Mini TV Retro, because this product is now very trending. And you see that the product, when you will make a video and when people will see first time, they will be wow, they will feel like wow, it's amazing. Okay, then I will show you the product comments. Okay, and you can see that almost 300k likes. Okay, so in overall, okay, it's from one video like 269,396, okay, likes. So you can see that almost 300k likes, and comments is like all, yeah, comments also 2000k. Wait, this is the comments of, sorry, this is the comment of 1584. Okay, so overall comment is almost 100k, because they have regularly uploading content and making good amount of sales. And every videos you can see that good, this video gone viral. So you need only one video to go viral, and if your one video go viral, then you can make lot of sales. Okay, so that's why now I will read the comments, and no need to use paid tools or others tools to see the sales data. No, don't need. You can check it in free way. So first of all, you can see that a customer telling that this is the coolest things I have seen someone use a printer for. Imagine a nuclear war happens in the bunker, just watching. Dude, this is awesome. Do south path, please. In these words, I need it. Yes. Then put a headphone jack on it. Random clips of episode. I mean, lot of, and one customer told that ordered, do this Snowpong gave season 1 to 3. Is there a Family Guy version? And let's see lot of comments. Okay, so you will gather a knowledge that when customer will ask lot of things about the product, that how about the product features, will they get others benefit, and the shipping times, others lot of things. When you will see that this comments, you can 90% you can shoot that this is the right now, this is the selling product currently selling. And you can also start a store and making content. Okay, and also another things is that when you will see that only 1000 comments, so no, this is not 1000 sales. This sales is even, it will hit 10k sales, because lot of customers don't comment, they just see the video and they go to the store directly. Okay, because they are the real customers, and though they have no time for comment, because they already know about the product and they just only few seconds need for the purchase. So now let's go to the store of our competitor, I mean these stores. So you will gather more knowledge. Okay, so this is the stores of the competitor. Okay, you can see. So what we can do, our first work will be make very better content than competitor. Okay, than him. And then make a very brand store. Like these stores have lot of problems, I mean not problems, I mean you can make other improvement or make better stores than him. So for example, his ad creatives is good. You can add more product benefit in here. Okay, more product benefit, testimonials, customer reviews, lot of things. Okay, and their stores are like basic designs I see. Okay, basic, very basic design. Okay, so that's why you have to make a very good dropshipping store. So first is make a good ad creative or content, yeah, whatever you want, like organic dropshipping or paid. Then just make a good, very good content, and then make a good store, and that's it, customer will purchase. And now I will show you the competition. Okay, so when I search on Mini TV Retro, you see that Amazon, AliExpress, eBay. So this is a good store. This is a good product, because only Amazon, when I go on, in Amazon, this Amazon don't selling the real or the same product that we saw. They are selling many random or gaming products, like lot of things. So when people will see this is exact same product first time, they will purchase, okay, because this Amazon's products are not the same product, okay. So when you will make a, a very viral content, okay, then your content will be hit globally customers, okay. So that's why this is very good opportunity to sell these products, okay. So thank you so much guys, and please subscribe, okay. So almost 200k sales product I will